Come. Lulu. That's coming to you now. Late. You throw it. They'll fight now. Yeah. Yeah. Look how many bats. Here.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, they're hanging on there.
4.
Yeah, they're here. I can hear the sound. Up there. That guy is making the sound. Fighting with another one.
Let's see, are they washing or what? Yeah. Sides.
Yeah.
He wants to go back. He wants to come back. He's back now. He's back now.
They will
It's
find
a lovely
their way.
country. Yeah, I think there was anyone. Oh, yeah. I was there maybe 1 or 10 years to work with the rest of the food handlers.
Because the tide is low, this is why they're losing direction.
It's a city over there. Okay. Go to 1, 4. Where you go to? 4. More than 10.
Have some rotten ones.
Then we want to committee next year,
completely lost.
Sherry,
Yeah, we keep in touch.
Yeah,
definitely.
sure.
Because I've been.
I want to.
Jimon comes like to help me out.
La moun gen gros homme pou vin ek nou.
Yeah?
Ban ki kapab defend nou against poachers.
Okay.
Marie Sauce. Marie. Mama Zami Richard la. Maria. Sa ban pan neklo.
Yeah, careful.
Most of the times that the eggs that stays intact are eggs that were not fertilized in the first place. There's no in one nesting season, one female turtle, like maybe the one that laid here, it's quite possible that it's her nesting for the
Other nests.
Because in one season they come up around 4 or 5 times.
5 times, yeah.
Like every 2 weeks, she comes back. So
But I've noticed, you know what, because Johnny moto mo pay, and then I go at Google, I noticed that each one of them were different size. Yeah.
The turtles?
Yeah.
You saw them?
Some small ones, yes. We just on the 31st, one came up to lay the egg. Et celle-là tient gros, il paraît moins gros qu'une des apons.
Oh, this.
Yeah. The problem is this is not the best
Sand.
sand quality. It's mixed with loam soil, so when it rains, it absorbs a lot of water, which explains why we have this.
Rotten.
And hatch, yeah.
So if it's wet, it becomes rotten. These are weak.
Yeah, they've been down there so long time.
I was wrong. There's still
There's still one?
well, not one, but it's some more shells.
Alors, Vanessa, tu as sudah temukan Nino, Vanessa.
Yeah, that's stuck.
Kiki bambula.
Keep.
Oh, baby.
Con này nó còn liền. Dạ con.
This is our traditional dance.
Yeah.
It's called Sega.
Sega?
Sega.
Sega.
Traditional dance for the island.
Yeah, it sounds like almost like reggae.
Yeah.
But faster a little bit.
And it is in the same rhythm with the Sega of Mauritius also. Because their tradition is the same, really the same as ours. And we speak nearly the same language.
I like it. It's fun.